Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix something called zero view jail on social media. And if you clicked on this video right now, it's probably something that you've struggled with. It's basically when you post videos on a channel and the videos are getting around 0 to like 1 or 200 views, which means that your videos aren't really getting a fair shot in the algorithm. Here's an example of a channel that is probably in zero view jail. You can see here the first videos got like 2,000 views, but then it got 5 views and then 4 views. And then a lot of the videos after literally got less than 10 views, which doesn't mean that your video is bad. It means that the algorithm isn't actually pushing you out to a regular audience and your videos aren't actually getting a fair shot. So what's actually happening here, and why are your videos getting 3 views even if they're not bad? Well, we've grown multiple channels like this. For example, Stories Told, which has $12,000 in revenue, and we were able to successfully escape the zero view jail, as you can see here. And honestly, after a lot of testing, like we've tried this on literally tens of different channels to see what works, we don't know for sure what causes zero view jail. But the best going understanding of this is that zero view jail happens when YouTube thinks that this is potentially a bot account. So for example, if we look at this account, we can see that most of the videos have no one's face in it. They've just been shorts posted. When these videos were posted, it was on a channel that was created very shortly ago. And on this channel, we weren't actually warming it up at all. And warming it up basically just means you actually go on the channel and you use it as if you were by like scrolling on the feed and watching some videos on it. All of the behaviors on this channel were signifying to YouTube, this might not be a real person. And that's what most people believe, and what I pretty much believe causes zero view jail. So what you have to do to get around this is show the YouTube algorithm that you are in fact a human being. What I've found actually can work really, really well is actually just recording one single video within the app and posting it to that platform. Once you do that, or if you do that at least a couple times, it knows that you are actually recording videos yourself and you're not just uploading some random nonsense slop as like a bot. And especially since algorithms can now detect like whether a face is in it or not, I tend to just upload a couple videos of my face talking to the camera just so it knows I'm not a bot. On top of that, I would recommend warming up your account, which means scrolling on the account and using it like a normal person, maybe liking some videos and watching some. And then don't mass upload, maybe upload one video a day at first, and it'll take a while, but eventually you should be able to get out of zero view jail. The last thing I'd recommend, and we've had to do this in some cases, is you just switch to channels that aren't hit with zero view jail. So if you're running a channel and no matter what you post, it's in zero view jail, try moving to a different channel that isn't hit with zero view jail, and that channel might be able to pop off. And again, that's exactly what we saw with one of our channels, Stories Told, which has $12,000 in revenue. And thankfully we made it past zero view jail, because if we didn't, we would have just never been able to grow this channel. So implementing all those things that I said can make a really big difference and can help get you out of zero view jails. And finally, by the way, the last thing that I would recommend is making sure you post your content across all platforms. The reason I would do this is because then you can get a better sense of like, is my video just bad? Or is the video popping off on TikTok and then getting 5 views on YouTube, which lets you know for sure it's a glitch with zero view jail. To do this, I'd highly recommend repurpose.io, which can auto post all your content from your main platform to every other platform. This is what I use. And it's how I personally grew my TikTok to over 288,000 followers. So literally all you'd have to do is click start automating for free. You can just sign in with Google. And you can see I have automation set up from Instagram to basically every other platform. So once I post on Instagram, which is my main platform, all those videos automatically go out to every single other platform without me having to do anything. And then I can see, oh, well, how did this video perform on TikTok compared to YouTube, compared to Instagram? And it lets me see, am I in zero view jail or is the content just bad? So that's the easiest way to check. And again, the link to that will be in the description. And as always, good luck to everyone getting out of zero view jail. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And I will catch you all in the next video. Peace.